A young bird broke its wing and could no longer fly, while the other birds soared through the sky. It felt useless and forgotten. One day, a traveler collapsed beneath the tree where the bird rested. Seeing the man weak and alone, the bird hopped down and sang swiftly to comfort him. Days passed, and as the man regained his strength, he whispered to the bird, "Your song kept me alive." The bird, once ashamed of his broken wings, realized that even in stillness, it had a purpose. The essence of that story is, you don't have to fly to make a difference. And one thing I need you to remember is that sometimes just being there is enough. As always, take care of everyone around you and take care of yourself. My name is Felix.